The Blizzard of 2013. Cars going the wrong way on Fairfield Ave. This car's trying to back into me. What? Ain't going nowhere.
What are they trying to do?
I don't know. I think some cars got stuck or something. Camera's shaky because we're walking in the snow. Look, all these cars are backed up because people are going the fucking wrong way. Let's see. It's probably some Mexican got stuck. Okay, what's this? Somebody just stopped right here. Oh, look at all the good Samaritans helping out. My Fusion's stuck, man. My Fusion's stuck in the road. And a Mercedes, yeah, those are good in the snow, huh? Everybody's just chilling out. There's Ryle and Shano and Lego. And all these people, look, they're all walking. They're like, oh, what's going on up there? Oh, wait, there's a road ban. You're not supposed to be driving. What? I didn't get that memo.